Hey guys, today let's learn how to delete a Discord server. So if you have a Discord server that you are not currently using anymore, that has became dormant over the time, or basically just want to delete a Discord server for any specific reason, personal reasons that you have. Okay, so in this tutorial I'm going to teach you guys just how to do that, so please watch this video until the end to learn how. I'm going to go ahead first, of course, to switch over onto our Discord applications right now. And you should see your Discord dashboard and your server that you have chosen. Of course, the first step is to choose the server that you have just, that you want to delete. In this case, I'm going to choose this server right here. Okay, so once this is already chosen, what I want to do next is to, well, if you want to delete it, all we need to do is to tap on settings over here, scroll all the way down. Okay, this is actually the user settings. I want to go ahead and escape this, and I want to go ahead onto the top left corner to go onto the server settings. And that's what I want you guys to do. Now I want you to scroll all the way down until you see this option right here on the left tab, which is the delete server option. Just tap on delete server, and you do need to enter the server name so that you can basically be confirmed. So let's go ahead and enter the server name. It is going to be named Hot Pinks Server. Of course, the server name is going to vary depending on what you have named your own server name. So it doesn't really have to be Hot Pink Server. It's going to depend on your own server name. In this case, my server name is Hot Pink Server. Now, once that is already done, let's tap on delete server. And that's how you guys could successfully delete your Discord server that you want to go ahead and delete. And that's all for this video. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you guys on the next one, and take care.